Hey, I'm Mason Goodwin, and this is the dorm tour. Hey everyone, I'm Mason Goodwin, and I'm back here for another video. Today, I'm going to show you my dorm. Some background info on me: I'm a first year at Wake Forest University. I'm currently planning to major in either business analytics or finance. And the dorm that I'm currently staying in is Babcock. Babcock is like a mid-tier dorm. I would say it's very social, but out of all the freshman dorms, I would say it's mid-tier in quality-wise, but having a very social atmosphere makes up for that. I'll first show you guys my roommate's side of the room, where he has his own desk, bed. You can see he's underneath storage where he keeps his books, food, shoes. Here's a better look at everything he's under his bed, from all his food, books, and shoes. He even has a guitar, a rug, so he keeps his room looking nice. This is a view of his desk over here. So on this side of the room, we have his closet, and we have a fan right beside it. Above his head here, we have a few LED lights going all the way around the room. He even has a few of his favorite albums above for decoration too. In the middle of our room, we have a micro fridge, which is basically a refrigerator plus microwave, and it's all attached to one unit. And we have a freezer on top, refrigerator at the bottom, and a decent microwave at the top. So it's pretty nice. On my side of the room, I have a nice Target rug. It was pretty cheap, but it gets the job done. I also have this nice rollable IKEA cart. It was only about $40–50, but I'll put the link in the description for it. And you can put anything on it and roll it around the room. So it's nice as a bedstand, or like anything I just want to put in here throughout the day, like snacks, books, or even my sunglasses. And all can fit in this tray or this cart that can move around the room. Next, I have my PC setup over here, where I have my monitor, keyboard, mouse, and my desktop right here. I got my desktop from NZXT. I'll put the link in the description for it. Oh, it's a bit pricey, but I mean, it gets the job done. I can play games, do my homework on it, and even edit videos if I want to. Over here, I have my Logitech gaming mouse. It's the Logitech Superlight mouse. It's only like 60 grams, but it's great for gaming or anything else I do on my PC. Also, I have my gaming keyboard over here. I'll unplug this, give a close up. Yeah, so it's focused. Yeah, so it's a nice gaming keyboard. Put some custom keycaps on it. And I have a special coil cable back here that matches the desk pad, and it matches the keyboard. And now I have a wireless charger, so I can charge 3 things at once, from my iPhone to my AirPods and my watch at the same time, because there's multiple hubs of a wireless charging plus a dock for my Apple Watch up here. So it's really nice, but a bit pricey. It's from Nomad. I'll put the link in the description for this too. Now over here, my underbed storage, where I keep my backpack, some bins, towels, washcloths, and even a Rhino trunk with anything I need, from extra accessories, cables, wires, or a first aid kit, or anything I really need. So, and also I keep my bed slippers right here, some man Uggs. So yeah, I'll put links in the description to all these items too. Over here at my bed, where I have a Pottery Barn comforter with a Pottery Barn sham. Very nice and comfortable. And yep, it's right beside my PC setup, so in case I really want to watch any Netflix or anything, I'll just turn the monitor and face the screen and watch a few shows on Netflix or YouTube too. So it's pretty nice. Here's a close-up of the 2 posters I put in my window sills. One's Nike and Adidas. It's pretty minimalistic, but it's very nice. I got these from Etsy.com. Over here by the front of my bed, I keep my trash can, my laundry basket, and my shower caddy that I use. And this is my second shower caddy, so I kind of take two and kind of put the bigger items in the first shower caddy, and the smaller ones I like to take in the shower, like my soaps, shampoos, and the smaller ones. So pretty nice. Here's a tour of the closet where I keep a few items at the top, like my hat, toilet paper, laundry sheets, or anything I need up there. All my sweatshirts, polos, and different shirts are all in here, as you can see. And down below, I keep my shoes, my laundry basket, sleeping bag, and a few other things in these bins. So I'm just gonna back up slowly, and here you go. Here's the full closet. And a few coat hooks on the wall, and a backpack too. Lastly, on the opposite side of the room, we have a sink and mirror, where this is my roommate's side, and all my stuff is over here from my side. It's pretty spacious, and underneath, we have a cabinet where we keep our extra necessities that we need to keep throughout the day. Also, we have our drawers too, for our cosmetic products, our clothes, socks, shoes, underwear. So it's a lot of great space, and it's really nice. And we also have these small drawers we can keep stuff too over here. Yeah, there's two. So it's really nice. Sink, anything we need, a ton of counter space. Can't complain. If you made this far in the video, thank you for watching, and God bless. I'll see you in the next video.